Good morning children. This is your social study class and through this video I am talking about the preamble of the constitution. I am also show through my previous video some good way, but till I am revising this topic as it is very important topic of the constitution. You can get 5 marks question from that. One, the question is what say about the preamble of the constitution. Secondly, the philosophy of the constitution. Third, few sense it is the you can give some important point for the feature of the constitution also. If you get the 5 feature of the constitution in a long answer type question carrying 5 marks, then you can write 5 feature from this only. So I revised it once again through this board. Now here the preamble means the introduction of the constitution. You can say preamble is called the key of heart, and it is declare the aim of the constitution, the principle and the ideal of the constitution. Political principle of the society in which it is implemented. So this is the important part of the constitution. In this topic you can find in underline the red word. So I repeat first. We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic, and it secure all citizen justice, that means social, economical and political justice, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and citizen, equality of status, opportunity and promote among them. Fraternity, assuring the dignity of individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. When the words, once again you go through the we the people of India adopt, enact and give to ourselves this constitution. This constitution is all of us. That means the member of the constitution and assembly is elected by the people. So the constitution is not of one group or one particular private property or important document, legal document of personal group or the organization. So we say trace on the point that political sovereign India rests with the people. That means total constitution is of the for interest of the people. The framer of the constitution are the representative of the people, and the constitution represent wishes the people. Dr. V. Ambedkar said, the preamble embodies what it desire of every member of the house, that this constitution should have its roots, the authority and its sovereignty from the people. If we are talking about the sovereign, it is also underlined by the red color, means India free to conduct her internal as well as the external affair as she likes. She is free to decide her own internal as well as external policy, like the England or USA. India is not bounded to accept any agreement of Indian membership with UNO and Commonwealth of the nation. was free to decision, otherwise she enjoyed the freedom to leave them at any time. Socialist, what is the meaning of socialist? The socialist added in the preamble by 42 amendment of the constitution. It means the administration in India should be run in such a way as ensure equable distribution of wealth among the class of the people. All must be given equal opportunity for their development and there should be minimum economic inequality. It is only for the weaker section, backward section to promote them. The all religion are equal, all caste are equal, and especially who are backward in our society, or you can say neglected for a long time during the British period and before that, they should be upgraded and individual build up their individual status of the dignity. The word secular added preamble also in 42 amendment which passed in 1976. Secular state means the state which is not based on any religion. Every citizen has right to profess, practice and propagates any religion. There can be no discrimination among citizens in the basic of the religion. Nobody can be refused admission in any educational institution on the basic of religion. It is our own choice. It is the citizens of India's own choice to wherever they stay, where institution they get educated and which language through they be educated. The word democracy means the political power is vested in the people and is exercised by the representatives who are elected by them. Every citizen to whichever caste, religion may be belonging enjoy all the political rights. The word republic means that the office of the head of the state, that means in our country the head of the state is president, is not hereditary. He is elected for a fixed term for the elected representative of the people. That means they indirectly elected by the public. England and Japan, though being democratic, are not republic because the king in these countries are not elected for a fixed term. Their office is hereditary and they enjoy life tenure. Throughout their life, they enjoy this position. Now, the objective of justice, I have already few line on that, but till I explaining it. What is the meaning of justice? Justice, the preamble solemn declares the resolved constitution, all the citizens, social, economical and political. Justice for them. They prohibited the discrimination on the basis of the caste, religion, community, race, color or sex. The aim in view, the right to equality has been guaranteed by the Constitution. Here we can talking about the rights to equality. In your later exercise, the chapter, you can know about the detail of the rights. But for your information, it is guaranteed by the Constitution. Right to equality guaranteed by the Constitution. That means once again, the state cannot discriminate against any person on the ground of religion, caste, race, sex or the place of birth with regard to assess the public restaurant, hotel, park, tank, wells, bathing girls, all the citizens have been given equal opportunity of the matter relating to the government employment. Economic justice. It means the wealth of the nation should be distributed in such a way the people may derive maximum benefit. All must have equal opportunity to earn their livelihood. For economic justice, it is necessary that means of production and distribution should not be concentrated in few hands. They should be used for general welfare of the society. This can be achieved only by adopting the socialist pattern of the society. Political justice. Political justice in this sense, the enjoyment the equal political rights by all the citizens. Universal adult franchise has been adopted. There are no discrimination against any citizen of any ground or communal electoral has been abolished. Liberty. A citizen requires various freedom for the fullest development of his personality. अगर हम किसी एक पर्सन की बात करें तो किसी भी एक पर्सन को डेवलप होने के लिए, ऑलराउंड डेवलपमेंट के लिए वी नीड लॉट्स ऑफ फ्रीडम. जब हम हर पर्सन ह्यूमन रिसोर्स वाज फुल्ली डेवलप्ड, दैट यूनिट ऑफ द फैमिली विल बी डेवलप्ड, द सोसाइटी will be developed and then country will be developed. So we need lots of opportunity to develop our own personality as well as our standard of living. So we have to the preamble ensure every citizen's liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship. This freedom have been guaranteed to all the citizens by fundamental rights. Equality. The preamble speak equality, status and opportunity. Equality status means all are equal in the eyes of law. All have equal protection by the law. Nobody can be discriminated against only of the basis of religion, caste or creed, color or sex. The Constitution also offered equality of opportunity in nation relating appointment under the state has been abolished and all the title except those academic and military discrimination have been abolished. So there is no sir or there is no madam, no, there is no title of Raj Bahadur, Khan Sahib, etc. Fraternity. Fraternity, the preamble insert in object the fraternity also. In a country like India where due to long period of slavery, differentiation have developed among the people on the basis of the religion, caste and language. Factor of fraternity among all sections of the people become all the more important. It is a principle which gives unity and solidarity to the social life, that why communal, electoral and the untouchability have been abolished. That means we promote a brotherhoodness among the citizenship, that we live like a family member in a family. Okay, today I explain it once again in detail. I think all are you know about this principle.